Which route are we using?
Hey guys, there's a lot that have to be done here carrying these stuffs. Hey, good morning, good afternoon, good evening. There. It depends on the place you're watching me. I'm telling Mr. Jack _ Chacha. We are just I'm featuring him on, and we are trying to make some stuffs around here. And I have to tell my wife to just uproot this. Should this be uprooted or just be cut?
The veggies?
Yes.
I think the vegetation population is not...
They should be uprooted and then they cooked, right? Yeah. So that's what you see around here, guys. Right.
Some
yeah.
To create
some space to grow. Yeah.
Bigger.
Guys, these are cowpeas. Yeah, sorry guys. Good morning, good afternoon, good evening. My good name is Claude Joseph. I'm featuring in Mr.
Jack
_ Chacha. Yeah, he's a neighbor here. His home is just right here. And this day today, I'm much blessed to be with him. Yeah. And today we are here. We wanna do what we call do some spraying of the chemicals. Make sure you subscribe to my YouTube channel at Claude Joseph. We are on the road to 30,000 subscribers. And
Mr. Jack _ Chacha.
Yes.
Yeah.
You are on the road to 1K subscribers.
Yeah, sure.
Yeah, guys, he's a new content creator based on agribusiness, and he's really mostly like to share with us what's going on around, and it's good for me to share with him and also feature him on this YouTube channel. Sometimes if you see this video on his YouTube channel, don't ask why is this video on his YouTube channel. So guys, so let's try and see what's going on around here. So today I'm here with different chemicals, and despite that we don't have protective gears, but we'll be very much cautious about these stuffs over here. So make sure, yeah, these are a lot of chemicals here. If you try make a mistake of drinking one, direct ticket to hell. Yeah, so
I'm really glad, and I'm so grateful to be in your channel also, you know, to be featured with you. It was my pleasure also.
Yeah.
It was my wish.
Yeah, for sure, guys. We are trying to do this in the evening time, so that we want to try to, because evening time is the best time to do this. And as you see, this is called algae.
This is algae.
So it shows you it's magical algae. So it has nitrogen 8%, calcium 18%, magnesium 3%, and boron 1%. So this one is called NPK. NPK, which means nitrogen, potassium, and
this is what?
Phosphorus and potassium. Nitrogen, phosphorus and potassium. So this shows you 13:2:2. So
what does it mean?
This means that in this medicine or in this chemical, we have nitrogen, which is 80% inside here. We have calcium, which is 18%. We have magnesium, which is 3%, and boron, which is 1%. And also, which shows you NPK, which shares with you that nitrogen is in here. Phosphorus is in here. Potassium is in here. So on this side, on this map, if you see, it was 8:2:2 in this 1 liter. So this one shares with you over here in the cereals, where you have to put quantity in 20 liters. You have to put 550 ml. 50 in 20 liters. So in watermelon, 30 in 20 liters. In vegetables such as French beans, peas, tomatoes, onions, and potatoes, it's 30 mils. In ornamentals, 50 mils. In top dressing, like 2 liters in 1 acre. Yeah, so we are going to use watermelons 30 ml. Yeah, so in that time, that is magical.
So what about this?
So this is also, it shares the same work purpose like the other one, but this one also we have to share and see the what does it contain? It contain nitrogen 12%, and this one, you can't just bring that one and share with you. So you have to alternate. So this side, this side, this side, this side. So this one has nitrogen 12%. That has nitrogen 8%. Here, bro.
Okay.
Nitrogen 8%. This one has phosphorus, not nitrogen. Nitrogen 12%.
So
there
it is
8%.
8,
Phosphorus 10%. This has phosphorus 2%. This is phosphorus plus potassium. Let's say potassium 8%. Potassium is 8%. That one has potassium 2%. We have what we call like NPK, nitrogen, phosphorus, and potassium. So this one shows you nitrogen is 12%, phosphorus is 10%, and potassium is 8%. So this is low and this is high. So this is one which is recommended that we have to spray today.
So it means that this is strong.
It's very strong compared to this.
But
yeah, the purpose is the same way. It's only that this has higher percent. Yeah, so put aside. Yeah, we have this one. This is called algae, Super K.
So
they are different.
Is it different?
this is NPK.
NPK.
The company is same algae. This is NPK and this is Super K.
This is 1 liter.
It's 1 liter and this is 500 ml. But it's the same taste. It's only that this one is being added some stuffs like potassium here is 42%.
Also, it means that the amount of potassium is
very high here as compared to that one.
Sure. Okay,
yeah. So this one is for it's called K-Flex. This facilitates in the when the melons are now ready, when the fruits are ready, you have to use this.
So what?
It stimulates in the ripening.
Oh, the ripening.
Yes.
So that red
color and even tomatoes, everything, bananas, this one facilitates that. Yeah. Also, we have this one. Serve the same purpose like this one. Yeah. It's called Planter P. You see, it's the same company, but it can confuse you. We have Planter P under the Al Green. We have NPK under the Nini. NPK is this one, the small one. Yes, the same way. We have Magical, the same way, but it's the same Nini. So this one, you'll see Planter P has potassium, phosphorus, and
what is this?
Potassium, bro. You did chemistry, professor. Hold this for us, man. We should start here.
I have got an eye defect.
Yeah. Okay.
So you people.
Yeah.
You know, I normally.
Yeah, he used to do specs. So
you see me saying, what is this?
Nitrogen, potassium, and K stands for potassium. Yeah. P stands for phosphorus. Yeah. So that's how now English really disturbs us. P stands for potassium, and P stands for phosphorus. No, it's K stands for potassium.
You are not getting it right.
It's K stands for potassium. P stands for phosphorus. So that's what I'm saying.
So
in English, in English they're really disturbing us. Yeah. How can K stands for potassium and P stands for?
But those are the symbols.
Yeah. So this one shows you that nitrogen is 15%. Whether on this one here, this Magical potassium is 8%. But nitrogen is 8% here. Nitrogen here is 15%. On this other side, phosphorus is 45%. Over here in Magical, it's potassium. This doesn't have potassium. Doesn't have phosphorus. Doesn't have phosphorus.
It is true.
Yeah. So it has potassium, which is 5%. So we are trying to mix this. This stimulates in the rooting hormone, in which now, in the rooting, this one has already passed the rooting position. So
when you're talking about the rooting, what do you mean? Does it mean that
this helps in root formation? When this, you see now it's even off. This one is even off. When a watermelon is growing, it facilitates. They always have what we call, they're being affected by different diseases from the roots. And due to root formation, you have to stimulate them with a chemical. So this is the chemical called Planter P, which stimulates the rooting hormone. Like
the rooting,
it stimulates the roots to spread well and to have that energy to absorb nutrients from the soil. So this one for now, the watermelons are now bigger. We don't want to use this. Yes.
The rooting, whatever.
Yeah. So for now, we are trying to do what we call stimulate the fruiting system, and we stimulate what we call like fertilizer. Like this is fertilizer.
This is a
Mbolea
fertilizer.
safi. Yeah. And also, this one I don't know if it's off. This is called dudu trim. This is supposed to be dudu trim.
Oh, dudu trim.
Yeah.
Dudu.
This one is supposed to be. They are supposed to do what we call like to do this alone, and you make sure that you are full, you have eaten, and after the work you also eat and drink milk.
This one.
If I give you this to make one pump here, you fall down.
Sure.
Bro, this small
you are astonishing actually.
Yeah, no, I'm not astonishing.
You are making me to think
no,
of
no,
the other way around.
This is agriculture. And that's what I'm telling you. Anything that you see here, it's a chemical, a harmful chemical.
Yeah, sure.
But we know how to handle it.
Guys, we don't have protective gears. But we believe that God is always our protector. Anyway,
no, we have to take precautions, man. This one you see it. You know it's you, not God. God for now is watching you to do what you see.
I'm really worried about
it's you to take precautions. So we also have this degree marks.
What is this for?
This is used to prevent pesticides and insecticides.
Pesticides?
And insecticides.
Okay.
So this one is in low quantity, like 10 milligrams.
Yeah.
So also we have Teda. This one also it's used to keep away different insects and different pests.
Wow.
So, yeah. So you have to alternate different types of chemicals. We also have Teda. This one haven't yet opened. So today we're going to mix this.
Yeah.
We are going to mix magical.
Let me ask you. Let me just ask you.
Yes.
Because I can see you have like the whole aggravate. You know? Like how much does it cost? You know, for you to purchase all these chemicals.
It depends. So, yeah. It literally depends with an aggravate or where you buy this from. This one can go for 600 Kenyan shillings.
Sure.
That's $5. And this one goes for only 5 to 8 pumps. 5 to 8 pumps.
Sure.
So this instead is the same as this, and goes for 8 pumps.
And
this can cost 1,200 or 1,500 Kenyan shillings.
When you translate that to dollar,
that can be $10.
$10. It means that you know they are quite expensive.
Very expensive.
I thought that they are just cheap.
No, very expensive. Also, this one can goes up to 1,500. That is 1,500, 1,200.
That's like $12.
Yeah, 12. That's like $10. Let's say $10. Yeah. So it literally depends with the change. Yeah. So without much ado, we also have the one. You know, also plants have cold. Cold. You should spread something
anti-cold.
Yeah, it's called cold. So you must spread anti-cold so that they can also help facilitate.
Cold is a disease.
Cold is a disease. That's why you see they do what you call like they have that dry leaves. That's too much cold.
Sure.
So this is what you see. You see what's one unprotected potato plant. Kuzuia kuvu. Early, late or bright. Blight is what you see this one.
Yeah.
I think you have seen. So guys, you see what we're talking about.
Whenever you see bright, it suggests that you know the plant is
when the plant is this way, or the leaf is this way, which means it has lacked ostothene. That's 80 WP. That's called Hita. It's a fungicide. So this is called baridi. In Swahili. In English it's called blight.
Bright.
Yeah. So which means today we're going to use blight. We're going to use where's the other bigger one? This one.
Yeah.
And the smaller one, Osho Company. This Teda. And Dudu Tree. No, degree max. So bring 120 liter there, and
20 liter.
We should be here as we're going to use this. So I want you to add water in here. I'm sorry. I want you to add water in here. I hope you have learned something.
I have learned
and you are learning. So
not just something. Put
half. No.
Oh, we must.
You must sieve, man. So add water there. Guys, today I'm having a new what you call like student. He is learning because also I was a student to many.
Sure.
And we are learning. Maybe some days when I'll not be around, I can even call him and tell him, bro,
go
and help me somewhere.
Yeah, sure.
Yeah. And
so let's do this, guys.
I'll put a half.
Half of.
Oh, that's okay. That's what is okay.
So you want a half? Oh,
this is okay.
Yeah.
I wanted space for mixing.
Or mixing.
Yeah. And you know, guys, at the evening time is the best time to do what we call like
to spray.
You know. So right now.
So why is it that the evening hours is actually viable for spraying?
This time is where the insects are coming back to feed.
Very good.
So when they come back to feed and there's not much evaporation in the plants. So when they come back to feed, they feed on the chemical and they die.
They die.
And early morning, when now they're trying to move out. So you get the best time to kill them.
Okay.
Yeah, but during the day, they have gone to their own way.
So it means that they will be back when the the intensity of the chemical.
So over here, we're going to use 50 ml in this.
Okay.
You see how it is? It looks juicy, bro. Don't ever try.
Somebody can drink, huh?
No, man. Direct ticket. When I say direct ticket,
to heaven.
Not to hell. Because we don't know if there's heaven or hell. We always know hell. Do you really believe that people go to heaven?
You know, according to the religious fact and fundamentalism that will be required.
That's English, bro.
So we all believe that there is hell and there is heaven. So that is how we have been, taught.
Let's add this. This will make it 50. Alright, just like that. Then we make a very good close. So that 50 will help us to kill the coal. And then what next? Because this and this has
is AP whatever. Okay.
This is magical and this is agrofit plus. So this one had we're trying to balance. We see. So nitrogen 8. This is 12. Calcium. This have calcium. This doesn't have calcium. All right. So let us mix again. This was as new as it is. We haven't yet used it.
You people,
yeah,
you are covering your face all the time.
Yeah.
You people, I told you that in this village there are, quite a number of people whom actually are working very hard to ensure that, their life, the living standard actually get to improve. One of the main activity here is agriculture, and for instance, you can see Mr. CJ is embracing agribusiness, because after having done all this that he's doing, he's mixing the chemicals to ensure that the watermelon are well off, free from insecticide, free from diseases like you have heard him calling the cold. I mean, I've never heard that.
Call it blight.
It is bright, huh?
Blight or cold.
Or bright, not
Black.
cold.
Call it blight.
Blight. Yeah.
Blah, not bright.
Yeah, blight.
Okay.
Professor.
Guys, so take a look on how things are here. Then whatever we are doing here, he is trying to do something tangible.
Yeah. So now we are adding clean. It's called clean fertilizer.
Clean fertilizer.
Yeah, mbolea safi. Direct translation.
Yeah. It's very thick and black.
Yeah. Mbolea safi.
So what is the purpose of that?
To strengthen and to give fertilizer. It's a normal fertilizer.
It is a normal fertilizer.
It's a fertilizer, but this one goes direct to the leaf.
But it is being absorbed through the leaves.
Through the leaves.
Is it through osmosis or something? Yeah.
Transpiration, no.
Transpiration.
So
that
like
could be osmosis.
And then that's like this. And then the other ones we have to keep them in here. In here, just like that, so that we can avoid children from having them here. And then, because of time, we have to mix them well. You mix.
So what is the purpose of stirring?
You start so that you mix it, they become evenly mixed up.
Evenly mixed up.
Yeah.
So there is something called mixable liquids.
Yeah, soluble.
Then there is something called a solution also.
Because they are in solution form, we call them soluble. They are in soluble liquids. These are soluble liquids.
So what you are doing, you are just mixing to form a homogeneous
solution, or homogeneous mixture, which is one. Yes.
Yes,
in this village people learn it.
So this one is miscible. Miscible liquids.
Miscible liquids.
Yeah.
Oh man.
It's a miscible liquid because
it has some homogeneous mixture. You can see it appears to be like
one form. Hey guys.
Is it mixed or something? What is that color?
Manu, tell us.
Men are
colorblind. Colorblind.
It appears to be like
I want you to tell me if the tank is full.
Okay. It's about.
This is 16
okay, that's okay. Up to that. Up to this form. So when it's just like that, now it's time for us to close this.
So what is this?
This one?
Yeah.
This one is a sieve. A sieve.
No, this one.
No, this one are the what you call like
nozzle.
The nozzles. Yeah. So just do like this. With an aid of you people, you help me put here. And then you lock. And then you lock over here.
Are you the one who is going to all?
Yeah.
Okay.
You look. I'll share with you how it's being supposed to be done. Just a minute, and then I'll share with you.
Okay.
And then later, now the second one, you'll help to after you have seen how we are doing this. So, but in this regard, therefore, the mathematics. So let's try and see how it's going. Just like this. Then you carry this up. Carry this. Just like that. And then you carry.
So let me assist you.
Yeah. Bring the other one. Bring the other one.
It is like you are carrying a baby.
Yeah. From this one. Then you put like this. And then you hook it here. Yeah. So you carry this.
It is just okay.
Yeah, just like that is okay.
It cannot fall down.
Never.
Sure.
So yeah.
So it is already ready.
Yeah.
You can go from up.
So from you can be from
So
this side.
how are we supposed to spray? Are we supposed to spray against the wind or towards the wind?
You see, if the wind is blowing from this side, you have to spray this way. As
So
the
we
wind is
need
taking.
to get the direction of the wind.
The direction the wind is going this way, downwards.
Downwards.
So it's better for us to start like this. Yeah. So you spray just like this. You see how we are going? Because now they have a lot of leaves.
Yeah.
We have to be keen to spray them. Yeah.
Okay.
That's why I told you.
Yeah.
It's not like those days back I used to do one pump. Today it might be 2 or 3 pumps or 4 pumps. And as they keep on growing,
You are using
more pumps. Yeah. Just like that. Just like that.
So you people, it is amazing here at Hispania. You can see actually something must be done here in an amazing way, in a good manner, to make sure that agribusiness actually is being embraced here. So Jose is doing an amazing work. You can see I have come to to pay a visit here.
So as you see, just like that, then we can start from there.
Okay.
Then we continue. Yeah, this I'm telling you, like this pump, only one pump. It can pump 2 or 3 of this.
Sure.
And imagine one medicine can carry up to 5 pumps. So you have spread here 5 pumps, and one medicine or one chemical carries 5 pumps only, and it's that much money.
Really?
Yeah, and you have to do this twice or thrice, twice to thrice a week.
I'm getting.
Yeah.
Guys, I'm learning here. I want us to learn together this.
Slowly by slowly.
So,
No hurry.
Brother Joseph, what can you tell people whom actually doesn't have anything to do right now, because a lot of students have graduated from the university or the colleges, and they doesn't have anything to do. Then how can you advise them as far as agriculture is concerned?
My big advice is change starts with you.
Yeah.
Change starts with you.
Uh-huh.
It starts with whatever you think.
Yeah.
If you are thinking positively, it will grow, your mind will grow positively. If you think negatively, your mind will still grow negatively. So on this other end, it's like start with whatever small you have. Not a mass that you have to go big, because things grow gradually.
Things grow gradually.
You might start with maybe 20. Your start will be like, I've started with $20. In 1 month, I've grown 20 times 2. That is 40. Now I'm getting $40.
Really?
So the next time you have doubled that. So it's gradual. You may start with a small portion of 4 to 5 contours of watermelons, and now have a big like 24 contours. So which means things grow gradually. So don't just sit there and say, oh, it's because me I don't have, I'm not able to do this. That's also how your mind is taking you. If the ones you say I don't have, even the mind automatically say you don't have. But the moment you say, okay, I have this
and I can do this,
it goes as your mind tells you.
So you mean it is mindset?
It's mindset.
So you people you have heard from
it's a mindset.
My brother here,
Yeah.
that actually you need to do something.
Yeah.
If you have graduated, don't just wait for unemployment.
Yeah.
You can engage in farming. You can do, even the watermelon.
Yeah.
And,
Not only farming, it's a lot of work. Don't choose work. You know, somebody will say, Mjengo, or me, I don't want to go to Mjengo, I'm a graduate. How many construction have I been? You know that.
Yeah, I know.
And how many works have I done?
A lot.
You know.
Yeah,
and I don't choose.
Yeah.
And I thank God that I've done online writing.
Yeah.
I've done what you call it. I once became a watchman. That one even my family don't know.
That one I don't know.
Even my family. I was telling you, you learn a lot. Even my family doesn't know that.
I haven't heard of.
I once became a watchman.
Really?
Yes. And that it wasn't a bad job that I said like a bad job, but it was like, how am I going to feed the family? Because now everybody is looking into me.
But you guys, Jose is also learned. Don't think that Jose is just something, just a village boy here. He's also learned. I know Jose is also, my fellow learned.
Yeah.
And you can see and you can hear from him, he's saying that you should not choose what to do. Even if you have a degree, he also has a degree. But you cannot say that I have a degree now, I cannot go to work, I cannot do something, whatever. Then don't choose whatever you are doing. So engage in farming. It can also solve unemployment, issues. Then anyway, let's see. Whatever.
My advice is your value matters a lot.
Yeah.
Your value matters a lot. Maybe
What do you mean?
When I say where you are, they might not see your value, but somewhere else, people can appreciate your value. Like me, when I'm at home here, people don't see my value. But when I'm away, everybody's like, I wish Claude will be here. I wish Claude will be here. So your value increases.
Yeah.
Same way as the water. When you vendors vend water here, they might sell you water at 20 shillings. The same brand at 20 shillings. But when you go the same water in the hotel,
Yeah,
you
or
buy
at
it
the
50
restaurant.
shillings, or in a restaurant,
Uh.
you buy it at 50 shillings because the value has changed and the location.
You know,
So when your value really matters a lot, and also the same water, when you go to the bus station,
Yeah.
it might be 60 or 70. Same water when you go it in an aeroplane, my friend, it might be 200 or 500 shillings.
yeah, sure.
So which means it's the locality where you are.
Yeah, the location.
If you try to relocate from where you are, your value will increase. So maybe you have finished school and you are still there at your parents' house. Every single day you are crying. They might not see your value.
Yeah, sure.
They will be seeing you as a graduate with nothing. But the moment you say, oh, let me get out of this place, let me go far away from my parents' house or from this location, my friend, your value will, they'll be like, there's a learned person from this home. Nowadays we don't locate him here. Maybe he's a doctor somewhere. Maybe he's a teacher somewhere. But the moment you're hustling out there, you are hustling out there to come and change the situation. You know. So the moment you come back, they have already known your value. You are a doctor, but in real sense, you haven't even practiced that.
Yeah, sure.
So value.
You have
Your
really
location.
reminded me of a saying. I don't know if it is a saying, but it is also found in a biblical context. There is that part saying that Nabii hana heshima kwao. So in English, we are saying a prophet doesn't have what?
Respect at their own home.
At their own home.
Yeah.
So it is really, true. Then, So does it mean that people have to move from their home in order to do something?
Me, I'm telling you, my real,
From the experience.
I'm the big example on my own. I'm the big example on my own. When I finished school, I never even wanted to step at my home here.
Really?
The only thing I brought here was a metallic box, a pieces of mattresses, a blanket, and my books. And I told my dad, you made me to learn, but now I'm going to look on my own, because you remember, our home used not to be this way. It used to be muddy houses. And I said, I'll come to change home. You can now see and attest. Yeah,
But
so
that is a good nostalgia.
Yeah.
Because if you can actually think of whatever happened, then and this far that you are, then it is something, it is quite a good achievement anyway.
yeah, and you work towards the goal. If you know that, okay, I'm having this goal, maybe you cannot. I'm not telling people to get out of their homes without a goal.
So don't
get out of your home.
Then you just take your mattress and go to Nairobi
and say
or
CJ
whatever.
said that. I just said it just a quote, because you might get out without any goal, and when you are out there you say CJ said it. No.
So you must plan.
You must plan. Sorry.
Because those chemicals are very, corrosive.
Yeah. Sometimes you might not sleep. You'll be like the whole night.
I've also conducted a few.
Oh, through this.
I don't know, it has accelerated.
Oh, sorry, man.
So it means that those chemicals are very strong.
That's what I'm telling you. This is the best time to spray.
So if I can conduct a few at the moment, then it means that I'm very strong right now.
These are very, very, very strong. Even I'm feeling dizzy. Very dizzy. You know the reason why we're having these gaps is for that 1 week that we are mourning and everything. But for the rest, I just want to focus in this farm as highly as it is, so that we cannot try to lose.
I was about to ask, like the interval of, the watermelon. I think the gap is too big. Then I wanted to.
It's 1 meter.
So what is the essence of
This is not too big. It's because they grow and they crawl and they have tendencies to spread. It's only that I wasn't very active on this farm when my grandma died.
Yes,
If I could be very active, all this place could be covered.
Okay.
You couldn't have seen even this space.
Even the weeding.
Yeah, the weeding and everything. You know, the moment these watermelons grow big, big, they spread.
Okay. So by by lifting this, it means that you are left now for whatever they grow,
Yeah.
they found that space so that there is no
Yeah, yeah.
crowding and whatever.
yeah. Just like this.
In order to compete for right and
Yeah, so in 2 days we will do what we call like easy grow. We'll be spraying easy grow
So the purpose of easy grow is
to stimulate flowering.
to stimulate flowering, because right now as we speak,
They are out of time. So they need to be flowering. We need to see a lot of flowers here.
hii umepiga.
Hiyo nishapiga. That's Chacha now, Professor himself.
Yeah, sure.
Professor himself. Hey, look how he's going, eh? Professor himself.
You need to apply some pressure.
Yeah, a lot of pressure. You know, the moment you pump pressure.
Yeah, sure.
Yeah, and then the moment you press the nozzle, it goes off. Yeah. Hey. So just like that, and everything is there. Slowly, you know. Slowly. Go with one hand, just like this, yeah. Pole pole tu hivyo. Yeah. Pump. Yeah. It will produce a lot of pressure to pump that. And then all the way. That is Professor himself.
Professor.
Yeah. Slowly. Yeah. Continue. It is spraying all the way, guys, up to the other end. Goja tu.
I can do this,
Just like that, yeah?
I can do this, right?
Yeah, you're doing it right. Yeah. So just like that, all the way. Kuja wapigie waoshe kama ng'ombe. So just like that. Just like that, and you'll see how everything is going on. So yeah, mdogo. Yeah, how is hali? Mko fiti? Sawa. So guys, that's what you see Mr. Jackson is doing. You know? So slowly. Hakikisha kila kitu imepona. Sasa lazima balance. Hakikisha hiyo zingine mbili zimebaki chini pia zenyewe zimepata. So all the way, and now you see the other side on the upper. My mom is uprooting our cowpeas. And at this end we are with Mr. Chacha.
Mr. Chacha.
Yeah, Mr. Jack _ Chacha. Yeah, Mr. Jack _ Chacha.
So guys,
He's doing an amazing job. Mara ya kusira tabaransi kimo baransi. Hakisha kile kitu umepata kwa matawi. Reduce pressure. Kila matawi. This is what you see, guys. It's evening time and everything is going on well. And it's much blessings to each and every person. And please, this video I was featuring Mr. Chacha. Hata tu ukisikia anza kutoa hivi ujue inakaribia kuisha, lakini bado haijaisha. Ukisikia thoughts inakaribia kuisha, pump kabisa. Pump ndio toe nyingi. Haya, upele toe kwa ile bila afu rudi kwa ile line ya chini. Wakishi imeshia kwa ile line ya chini. So I'm trying to tell him, whenever he sees it has a sizzling sound, it means that it's almost finished. Yeah. Pump ni jingi kidogo. Iko kama lita 1.5. Yeah. So just like that, and he'll be done with that, and we'll be concluding our video. You know? Yeah.